Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 5 Major Close. Now this is a very spacious detached family home offering 4 bedrooms. Of course we've got the ensuite to the main bedroom upstairs, and on the ground floor we've got that 17-foot family and kitchen area with the bifolding doors into the rear garden. But what a wonderful property to take a look at today. All of that off-road parking to the front there with the garage. Absolutely brilliant. Now we're coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space here, where you can see the stairs on the right hand side, but it's lovely and light and bright, coming straight through into the hallway space. On the left we've got the lounge, really nice big window there to the front, huge amount of space to work with here. And on the right hand side of this, just across from the wall there, we've got the dining room. Now we're going to go into the dining room next and take a look at what we have there. You'll see that we've got an access point into the rear garden, but how nice is it to have that separate lounge and dining room space, but you do have this fantastic kitchen to the rear with, of course, that integrated family area, which you're tending to see now in a lot of modern homes. Now with this one we do have the really convenient ground floor cloakroom as well, with that nice frosted window at the side, just letting that light through. And we're going to go upstairs next and take a look at the 4 bedrooms that come with the property. Now it's worth noting that we've got the ensuite in the main bedroom number 1 here. We're going to start by taking a right and just going through into the first of the bedrooms. Now with this one here, it's a wonderful double-sized room, plenty of space in here for the double bed and plenty of space for storage as well, and you do enjoy that view across to the front. So coming up next, we'll go through and take a look at the main bedroom with the ensuite. You'll see that it's again another wonderful double-sized room, and that's one of the brilliant things about this particular style of house, is the bedroom size and the reception space. Coming through into the second bedroom here, wonderful double-sized room yet again with the window overlooking into the rear garden, and of course with this one there you've got plenty of space for the double bed and the ensuite as well. So we'll go take a quick look there at the ensuite before heading through into the main family bathroom and then the last 2 bedrooms. Then we'll go down and explore that kitchen before heading out into the rear garden. So taking a quick look there at the main family bathroom, we're coming through to the front of the property yet again to take a look at another double-sized room. This time plenty of space there for the double bed and plenty of space for the wardrobes, and you've got that lovely view across to the front and the green area as well. Now this particular development has always been very popular, and it's quite a rarely available development to acquire a property in as well, so it's worth noting that this property is going to probably be very popular. Now coming through to the front here, you can see that we've got a wonderful sized room yet again in bedroom number 4 with that lovely big window to the front, just letting all of that natural light flood through. So let's head downstairs now and take a look at that main kitchen and family space to the rear with the bifolding doors. In the kitchen area there you're going to see an impressive amount of space. So just heading back down the stairs and through the landing now, we head into the rear garden. Really convenient bit of storage under the stairs down the right hand side as well, but the kitchen itself is beautiful. You've got that stunning modern and contemporary feel to it. You've got a range of fitted appliances in here as well as space for white goods, but of course it's nice that it's all cleanly kept away, nicely tucked away there with the cupboard space, plenty of worktop space as well, and what a stunning area to enjoy. It's nice that you've got that focal point there in the island with of course the wine fridge there just to the right, and then of course you've got space on the left hand side for tea towels or red wine depending on how you like to store your wine bottles, but of course that'd be absolutely perfect for you. So just looking across there, we've got the bifolding doors into the rear garden, and that's where we're going to head next. Into that rear garden, take a look at what we've got. I'll leave you for a few moments just to take the space in, and then of course we can wrap up the tour and go through a couple of the property's key points again. So there we have it, that's been number 5 Major Close, a wonderful and very spacious detached family home offering 4 bedrooms with the ensuite to bedroom 1. You've got that beautiful 17-foot kitchen and family room at the rear with the bifolding doors out into the rear garden, and a fantastic location as well. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.